Jackson, this is for you, buddy. Hey, all you're going to have to do is listen to me, pause the video as you need so that you can hear the words. You say them after I say them and write what you hear. Okay, I've got your first sentence that we already did together. So you've already got one of your 4 sentences. On Monday, Pumpkin the cat went to the grocery store. Okay, so remember your information is Pumpkin the cat went to the grocery store to look for cat food because her babies were hungry. Okay, so you can add details to that. On Monday, Pumpkin the cat went to the grocery store. Okay, another sentence could be Pumpkin the cat was looking at cat food at the grocery store because her babies were hungry. All right, so I want you to add the details that you want. You might say something like the big grocery store, the scary grocery store. You describe your story however you want, but here are your details. On Monday, Pumpkin the cat went to the grocery store. Pumpkin was looking at cat food because her beautiful babies were hungry. All right, Jackson, have a great day, buddy. I can't wait to read your story next week. I want you to work on it with mom and dad over the weekend. 4 short sentences. That's all I want you to do. And again, no perfect spelling, just write what you hear, okay? Bye, friend.